Alright, continuing down our project settings, let's go under Edit, jump down to Project Settings, and our second entry is Tags. Now what this is going to do is bring up the Tag Manager over here inside the inspector. And the Tag Manager does a couple of things. It gives us access to the tags in our scene as well as layers. So even though the name of it is the Tag Manager, it also allows us to manage our layers as well. And tags and layers are two concepts that we're going to be getting into in their own videos a little bit further on in the future. Now, as for this manager itself, what it allows you to do is to take any layer. Well, you have 32 layers by default. They're already here, and we can give the last, the first 8 of them already spoken for.
Right. In the last 24, we can define anything we want.
That's right. The last 24 can be, we could call this one baseball if we really wanted to. And this is something, we'll get into the reasons why you would do this and the usefulness of utilizing layers, again, a little bit later on. But this is where you would go to set up your own customized layers. Now, up here at the top, you have tags, which you can expand as well. Currently, I have one tag, but that one tag kind of came in by default, and it has no name. So you could argue that I really haven't set up any tags in my level at all. If I wanted to set up a new tag, all I would do is come over here to element 0. You'll notice my size is set to 1. That just gives us one tag, currently named, or referred to as element 0. If I click over here to the right, we can specify a name for this. And I do want to point that out because there's no column designation here. Nothing really to help you see that you could be clicking over here and adding a name. You just kind of have to know that we could click and redesignate element 0 as the camp tag. And as soon as I do that, notice the size increments to 2, and we get another element here. Every time we add a new tag, we get another one. There's always going to be a blank tag available. Now you can just keep adding these tags in this manner, or if you know, say for instance, you need 5 tags, you can set the size up to 5, and it'll just open up 0 through 4 right away. Now, again, I know I've already said this like 3 times so far in this video, but we'll get into the importance of utilizing these tags and how they can be useful to you in an upcoming video. I just wanted to point out that this is one of the few ways that you can get over to the Tag Manager if you need to make any updates to your tags or layers in your scene. And that's going to wrap things up for this video. Thanks a lot.